Yo, welcome back to another reaction video from KSI, man. Today we're going to be trying not to laugh, and in the cut we have a racist dog. So let's get straight into the video.
Mi amor, ¿qué es la legitimacy? See, today try not to laugh.
He always tries not to laugh, but he ends up laughing, bro. But let's see. We're gonna see if we're gonna win this challenge or we're gonna fail this challenge as well.
You can tell my Spanish isn't that great. But today we're doing a try not to laugh. You know how it is. Let's get straight into this.
Or as we like to call them, biggers. Small power! Our ancestors been fighting this battle for years.
Segregation was strictly enforced in public restrooms and at water fountains. Even food was segregated.
We're the master race. God made us in his image.
Right. Oh no, we don't serve your kind. Get your bigger ass out of here.
Oh my. Oh my.
Well, what do you even call that, bro? What do you even call that's what? That's
We don't want your kind living round here, boy.
I've been harassed, called names. My wife was called a bigger lover.
Well, that's not as bad as getting hit by a chair.
Wait, what? What was that? For a second I was like, yo, that sounded a bit close.
what was happening right there?
Hey, all my days.
Oh, hold on now. Hold on, just a second there. I thought this was a music video until... Sheesh! My guy is... What? That's
Guys,
crazy.
he's gone to the toilet. He's just gone to the toilet and he's forgotten his phone is connected to the TV.
Oh my days, bro.
Like, go knock.
Oh my god. Yeah.
No.
Hey guys, okay. I've never tried popcorn before. A lot of you guys are gonna be like, how have you never tried popcorn? Guys, I've never tried it before, don't come for me. So I thought it would be a good idea to try some popcorn. I'm super scared. Oh my god, okay. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go.
That's what influencers piss me off, bro. Just open the thing and put it in your mouth, bro. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with you, man? You're wasting time for me. You're wasting my battery charge. You're wasting my screen brightness. Come on now.
I don't know.
What is this?
Another one.
Hey yo, what has happened to social media? Is this what it's like?
I mean, it's okay. It's not like all that. I don't get the hype.
Oh my. Even the laugh at the
That's actually very, very accurate, bro. It just pissed me off, to be honest. What's wrong with this dog?
What is this dog? What is going on? No,
Is that dog
man,
mad?
get out. Get out my house. Yeah, I'm taking that shit back.
You're going back.
And that's when it's tired.
Please answer me this.
I have one question and one
What
question
is
only.
that
Why?
beard?
Why? To the barbers on why? Why this man spray paint on my face? Why he spray paint on my? I gotta go shower. This is ridiculous.
Jesus. No.
Oh man, I don't have a beard, bro. Just leave me alone, please. Leave me alone. I don't need that spray paint thing on my face, bro. I beg you, just leave me alone with my struggler beers, bro. What?
Oh, man, like, as soon as you brought out the mirror, surely you should have gone like, nah, man, fix this shit. Like, you looked in the mirror and went, yeah, this is good. Thank you. Here's your money. I'm happy with this product.
Yo, about to head into work, another day, another dollar.
Yeah, I'm about to head into work another day, another dollar.
Hey, yo, this used to be me when I was younger. I always hated the sound of my voice when I was younger. Obviously now, I love myself, so.
The jalapeno peppers raw are the best. Stop fucking with me. Anything raw is good.
Are you sure about that, miss? Yeah? Are you sure? My thoughts exactly.
That look as well, man. I was like, oh, okay.
Wake up and look in the mirror, remind yourself that you a bitch. When you go to sleep, remind yourself you a bitch. When you wake up, remind yourself you a bitch. When you look at your mama, say, mama, I'm a bitch. Remind yourself every day that you a bitch. When you look at your daddy,
as well.
Whack. It's gears. Whack. It's jewelry. Whack. It's footsteps. Whack. The way that he talks. Whack. The way that he doesn't smile. Whack. Me, I'm tight. Fuck.
Let me tell you something. You hear that type of movie come on, you know you're about to get scared the hell out of. I'm promising you, bro. Ooh, you better get the crucifix, bro. You have to popcorn, crucifix, and holy water, bro, because it's gonna get. And you better turn up the lights, bro, because woo. Yep.
Jesus. Not a sound.
I'm Terry Bullweather, and this is some of the worst wind I've ever experienced. And my wife has IBS. The net office advice is to not go outdoors. So that is exactly.
Wait, what's IBS? Okay. Okay.
I'm Terry Bullweather, and this is some of the worst wind I've ever experienced. And my wife has IBS. The net office advice is to not go outdoors. So that is exactly what we have done. Experts are calling it Storm Eunice.
Yo, did you see that? He flew. Did you see that? Yo, okay. That's he's got mad grip. Because I can't do this. I can't levitate like this. This is either he's got mad grip or this is some voodoo type, you know?
Experts are calling it Storm Eunice because it can blow your niece, your nephew, and your entire family away in a matter of seconds. As you can see, it's an absolute bloodbath of wheelie bins. This one's still alive. Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir? How many fingers am I holding up? He's dead. Officials are warning not to open any umbrellas outdoors after an elderly woman was blown all the way to Uganda in the early hours.
Oh, come on, man. Come, you're taking the piece now, bro. Uganda.
This morning, but we're going to do it anyway. As you can see, it was blown thousands of feet into the air, shaking about violently. It was the equivalent of being inside 7 hurricanes. Or 1 Ryanair flight. This fence is on the brink of collapse, and it's right by a local school, making it the biggest threat to teenagers since Prince Andrew got released.
Hey, Markel, you want to airdrop me those photos?
Yeah, I'm gonna just send them to you. What's your number?
Yeah, it's a 519-385.
What's the number?
Oh, yo, la dusty lads. Ooh, okay, I see you all. She kind of bad, to be honest. Also, you know what I mean. She a good-looking snow bunny.
Do you know these people?
No.
just say it again.
Just start over what you were saying.
And Mike Man is drinking sauce. What is wrong with you, bro?
Like nobody stopped me. I want to get the same stuff. I want to get airdrop. Nobody airdrops me now. I want airdrop, son.
Is he sipping on ketchup? What the fuck? It's gonna jolt him, right? Yeah. I know them ones. Obviously back in the day, because I got money now, but you know, I do know them ones.
Oh, that's gonna bust. Oh, that chick is gonna be good.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
There's
What?
no way! Damn! Bro!
What
You know what we're gonna do with that? Some fries.
What you think? Fries? Fries with what? With the chicken.
What is this camera angle?
What you about to eat?
These two are meant for each other, okay? Oh my days!
Wow.
Are you kidding me?
Wow,
You got to be kidding.
So beautiful.
Good luck.
Is this the intro?
Oh my god, I'm not supposed to be laughing. I know she's not that talented and whatnot, but jeez, man. Can she not speak the words, bro? Like, that's the whole she's humming. She's humming, bro.
What is she singing?
She say words. She
Oh my day.
She's still going, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. Yeah, that was phenomenal. Welcome.
I am
The Godfather.
president of the company.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Ooh wee, look at that. That shit is massive, bro. Whoa. You don't need no haircut, big bro. You just, this looks like a landing pad for houseflies and stuff like and it's shining, bro. It's reflecting all the light. And it's smooth too, like a baby's bum.
Jesus. I mean, I thought, you know what, my forehead's tiny compared to him.
Terrible names for dogs. Help!
Okay.
I'm trying to think, what's a terrible name for a dog? Suck your mom! Suck your mom! Suck your mom! Clitoris! Clitoris!
Bomboclat.
Well, I'll take both of y'all niggas at the same time, boy. Oh, you meant fight?
Oh, god damn it, man. Hey, yo, chill, bro. Hey, chill.
Gay. Oh, whoa. Brother, bro. No, This is not it, bro.
Thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Oh,
You gotta be kidding. What? Hold on.
thank you. Say thank you. Oh, I love you.
Hey, that dog is racist, bro. And first of all, I thought dogs see in gray, so how do you know I'm a black guy? What?
Hey, say again?
Say thank you. Oh, I love you.
Hey, yo, can we cancel a dog? Can we do that?
That dog is racist.
Can we do that?
Jeez.
I am going to be addressing the rumours about a video I made in which I called my nana slag and pulled out her life support.
Jeez.
Clearly people are upset by my actions, and
Are you
I
not?
just wanted to say that I am sorry that what I did has offended you guys.
Hey, what? They be taking the piece, to be honest. Like, influencer apology videos are just absolutely trash. You're just reading a script. It's not from your heart, you know?
If you have been following the channel for a while, you know that this is not me, and it was never my intentions to pull out my nan's life support. And just before we carry on this video, I just want to say Can you guys like and subscribe? Hit the bell notification so you never miss a video.
Hey yo, where's the sponsor? Where's the? You gotta make sure the video's sponsored as well. This video is also sponsored by NordVPN.
Feminism. I just find it strange how men are seen as a superior to women. I feel we're all equal. If not, women are better. We can make a human. Squeeze milk out of our tits. Queef. If we want.
If we want.
Way better than men. Yeah. And football as well. Why do women get paid less in football? Didn't the women's US national football team lose to a squad of under 15-year-old boys? No, that's myth.
Myth.
Nah. It was actually factual, by the way.
I did, but...
Breaking news. Russia has announced World War III, so all men to the front line. See you soon. Or not.
Look at that.
You don't want to be drafted now, huh? Where did all that equality go to, miss?
Look at this brother, yeah? His brother, look at his CV, look, he's got sliders. He's got teamwork.
Oh my gosh.
Hey yo, he's...
Hey, don't laugh at the bro, man. It's tough getting a job out here, especially with this pandemic, man. You send like 500 CVs a day, bro, and you just keep getting notifications out there, received your email or your application or whatever, and then we're gonna get back to you in 2 weeks, bro. Like, you know, it's a never-ending battle, man. It's tough.
It's humble though, like he didn't put it all the way, you know. He knows there's room for improvement.
Oh, look at this brother. Why have you got sliders? Everything's FIFA.
How old are you?
I've been in this game for more than 20 years. How old are you? I'm 15 years old. What? Don't forget my age. Just focus on how long I've been in the game.
If you've been in the game for 20 years, how come your age, like, what? I'm a bit, something doesn't add up. 5 years doesn't add up. I'm confused.
I've been in the game for 20 years, but I'm 15. What a legend.
Got in trouble.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hold on.
I'm 15.
Hold on.
Got
I think I know where that beat lies. That sounds very familiar.
in trouble.
Yeah. Yeah, we all know where that song plays. You know what I mean?
Nice. Everyone knew that. Everyone knows that sound.
Hey there, brother. Do you have time to talk about Jesus Christ today? Oh, you're dead? Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, you have yourself a blessing.
Wait. He nodded his head. She said, "Oh, you're deaf," and he said,
"Brother, do you have time to talk about Jesus Christ today?" Oh, you're dead?
Oh man, Jesus is looking down upon you and just, saying you on your first down. But you
Oh, okay. Well, you have yourself a blessed day.
Okay, you too.
You.
Hey, and the evangelist is supposed to cuss him out. Well, hold on. The evangelist is supposed to cuss him out.
Okay, well, you have yourself a blessed day.
Okay,
listen.
You mother.
You mother? What? No, bro. I thought you were spreading the word of God.
Look, let me show you something. You see this? Wait, look. My woman, look now. Look.
I'm looking.
Wow. Huh? Magic. Oh, no. It's a lie. Please. Mommy, I'll be right there.
What the fuck?
Wait, but check this out. Check. Pow! Abracadabra. What? Abracakini cadabra. No. Let me show you the rest of it. I can't take it. Check this out. Check. Wait. Come on, look at this out. I'm curious. Pedals there. Pink. Pedals gone. Gone? How? No, I can't watch it. I can't watch the sorcery. Oh no, it's not sorcery. It's just simple illusions of the mentality. You are using all these words. All I know is monkey see, monkey do. Where you see this hand, I put this hand there, and the thing is back there. Yeah, he's a wizard. Mommy, there's a wizard here.
It's a wizard. All right, well, yeah.
Well, that's all for this video. But the dog got me. That dog actually said the N-word with the hard R for sure. That dog is racist, pure racist. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, consider liking, subscribing to the channel, and commenting. I'll see you on the next one. So I'm out.